Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set default apps on Windows 11. So for example, you just install Windows 11 on your system, and also you need a new app. For example, like Google Chrome. You can set a Google Chrome as your default browser by click on start icon and click on settings. Here you can try to find the apps, then you can try to tap the default apps, the third option here, default profile, link types and other default. You can click it. Here you can search the app that you want to make by the default apps into default apps. For example, you can try to search a Chrome, this one, Google Chrome. Click, and here we go, make Google Chrome your default browser. You can click on set default, and the other, for example, like camera and also a calculator, here it's already become your default. And also the media player here is very important. Here you can try to set the default file types and link types that can open by media player. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click the text button below. See you in the next video.